Why, hello everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. Today I have a comparison video for you. Like I promised, I was going to show you what is the very elusive item, coloring supply, art supply that is pretty much the exact same as these, but it is no longer available and is very, very hard to find. And that is the Prismacolor Art Sticks. Yes, the Prismacolor Art Sticks are almost exactly the same as the Crayola Color Woodless Pencils Color Sticks. Okay, I actually loved these art sticks so much that I wanted to find a larger set of them, but that was actually almost impossible because they're no longer produced. They're discontinued. Prismacolor no longer sells them, so this is pretty much vintage. You can't find them. So I actually found the Prismacolor art sticks before I found the Crayola color sticks. I just ran across these just so happened while I was searching for these. So I was able to find a seller on eBay that was selling the 24 set of the Prismacolor art sticks. So I was happy about that. But let's talk about the realism. And I know you're like, there is no way Crayola can even compare to anything with Prismacolor. Well, to be honest, these are Prismacolor's Woodless colored pencils, just like these are Crayola's Woodless colored pencils. And these are supposed to be just the like leads inside of the Prismacolor pencils. Now, do not get the art sticks mixed up with the new pastels. Prismacolor new pastels are a firm pastel color stick, which should actually be called like a pastel, like a chalk pastel. It's not really a hard pastel, definitely not, but it's not really a soft pastel. It's somewhere in between. But it is water soluble, and these are more like soft chalk pastels. These are nothing like the art sticks, so don't get those too confused, although I absolutely love my new pastels also. But we're talking about the Woodless color pencils by Crayola and the Prismacolor Woodless color pencil art sticks. So like I said, I know you're saying there's no way these can compare and Crayola can even hold a light against them. But to be honest, these really don't seem to be the actual pigments that are in a Prismacolor pencil. Now, I know you're like, why do you say that? Because these are, they just feel so much more waxy. And I mean, they're nice and pigmented, but so are the color sticks. I actually think the color sticks pigments and actual woodless color pencils are better quality than the leads that are in the woodless pencils, which is like weird. How can you cross products like that and something be the exact same but better? So neither do these have any markings on the like barrel or stick, just like these don't have any markings of what color it is, but it does tell you like on the back what colors are like supposed to be in the box. But this is like way waxier and way firmer than a Prismacolor color pencil. So I'm almost for sure that these kind of perform more like the Very Thin. So Very Thin is Prismacolor Premier, but they perform nothing like a Prismacolor soft core pencil. So maybe these are the cores of a Very Thin colored pencil by Prisma. So that would make more sense. But like I was saying, these two are actually the same thing. They give me the exact same results when I use them. So like I said, I do have the 12 set. that I found. And these Crayola color sticks actually come in a 12 count also, so you can find those. I will leave links below in the description if you would like to find either one of these. You may be able to find these on Amazon, but I doubt it because it's so hard to find them. I had to find them from a third-party seller by means of like eBay, but hey, it's okay. So I will kind of do a little test for you and show you how similar these two products are. But before I do that, I just want to show you a few things that I have already completed with these two pencils. So I showed you this in a previous video already. I used the Crayola Woodless color pencils to color her dress and this armoire dresser here. And I used the Prismacolor Woodless pencils, the art sticks, to color her dress in this picture and to color the curtains here. And it was super easy because you actually use them just like you would use like a regular crayon. But I use them together with my actual colored pencils, and it's so much easier to just put color down and then work with your shading and highlighting and doing whatever you would like to do, adding on to the color you've already laid down. The color lay down is like super, super quick. So let's try and find a similar color. I think maybe I will try this like orange here and the Prismacolor orange. Those might be similar colors. So let's do Crayola here. I'm doing multiple layers, maybe like 2 or 3 layers. Then I'll do the Prismacolor. I did a few more layers, seems like, with the Prismacolors. Okay, I burnished it in. And let's burnish it in with the Prismacolor. Yes, pretty much same feel, same everything. As a matter of fact, I kind of like the Crayola a little bit better. Not only because it's less expensive, but, you know, I'm pretty heavy-handed, so, hey, anything that can withstand my heavy-handedness is pretty okay in my book. Let's try these 2 yellows. So you just color with it like you would normally color with a regular crayon. And they're not really easy to break. You can just really enjoy them and not having to worry about sharpening them or them breaking. And someone even mentioned that their grandkids really like using these because they don't break like crayons do as fast. Of course, I have a few that were already broken when I received them in the package, but that's okay. Totally okay. Let's try this black to see. And I'm putting heavy pressure on that Crayola black. Let's see what kind of pigmentation we get. Okay, that just does not want to go back into its little cubby. And here is our Prismacolor. Prismacolor's black is definitely more pigmented than the Crayola, but hey, who would expect any less from Prismacolor Premier? Let's see about the white. Let's see if the white can hold up any. Well, that white isn't doing much of anything. Let's see if the Prismacolor's white can. Oh, that does a little bit better, but it's nothing like the white Prismacolor pencil, which I have here. which is kind of the same, kind of, sorta. No, the Prismacolor regular pencil is a little bit better. Like I said, I think this is the very thin formula because they wanted something that was not easily broken. Okay, so I will demonstrate to you in another video how I color a coloring page with these products. If you enjoyed this video and if you like short reviews like these and comparison videos, please leave this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you like videos like this and if you love adult coloring. So I will see you on the next episode, my Dollar Divas and my Dollar Dudes. See ya later.